How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to Nordforge. So this week I had an idea for a 3D light box. Basically a picture frame that is completely 3D, a totally immersive picture. Here I'm sketching the dimensions and a crude sketch of what I want to do. And I'm going to start off with this rock the knight will be standing on. That's some black mica powder, and this will be cast in a silicone cast that I made from XPS foam. This is just regular 1-to-1 ratio epoxy. 2 days later, there it is. And we're gonna give it a heavy dry brushing of regular gray just to give that some good shading. This is the model we're using, along with this Skyrim dragon from Thingiverse. The knight is mainly from Hero Forge, although I could not find a shield I liked, or a helmet that fit what I wanted. I designed the shield in Fusion 360, the helmet a little bit in Forger, mainly, the rest Fusion 360 once again. And I decided to make him a Knights Templar. I just thought that'd be a cool addition. And off the dry brushing just to finish him off, and then we'll give him a wash. I want to make it look like he has been through the ringer. I purchased this Skyrim dragon in white resin, and we're going to give it a heavy wash. Now for the background, I found some images that I thought would look cool. It looks like the outside of a cave from behind the knight, along with the moon, and that went through my laser machine. This is lasering out a plaque, which I will stain. This black stain is for the inside of the diorama, or light box. I think I should probably say at this point, a 3D light box. We glue this thing together, let it sit overnight. Make sure we clamp everything down, everything's in the place that we want it. And we'll drill a hole for the wires. And as you can see here, crudely, I have 3 nodes up top, and the ones at the bottom there are waterproof LED strips. This is the 12-volt plug-in, which I will solder together with the rest of the lights. And after sanding it down, we have the finished product here. I gave a nice chamfer look with the orbital sander. This gives it a nice aesthetic. And I double-checked my LED lights. And now we're gonna add some lava, some red mica powder with a little bit of orange mica powder. Right now we're just trying to cover up the lights. And I'm gonna try to give it a texture like the picture you see there. And we're gonna add one more boulder. And these little spots of black dye will give it that charred lava look, make it more realistic, make it pop. And some random skulls, because why not? We want this thing to look immersive. As it was drying, a little bit leaked out, temporarily putting some hot glue, gluing down our knight, then a couple more skulls, adding some black wash. At this point our lava is completely dry. And give it that nice bamboo mahogany stain once again. Goes along with the dark theme of it all. I also have these little skulls hanging around that I dipped in polyurethane after staining them, and I'm going to glue them on the sides, but first I have to chip away a little bit of that polyurethane so the glue has something to adhere to. One for that corner, one for that corner. Looking good so far. Here's the plaque, as we call them tonight. And that was it, folks. And if you made it this far, I appreciate you watching and enjoy these final shots. Have a great week, everybody.